Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video we have another unboxing, unpackaging. I'm not exactly sure what this is, so hopefully something watch related. If not, I won't be releasing this video, but maybe it could be something I ordered somewhere else. I have no idea. So let's get it open. They just kind of, instead of sealing it here, they just sealed it over there. So unroll it and get it out of here. Oh, so KCI, it must be Knife Center International or something. I don't know. So that explains that. Probably should have Googled the address, but this is a knife that I purchased. It'll be my last knife. No more knives, guys. All right. I think this is gonna be it. I don't know. This stuff's getting out of hand. It's getting pretty addicting. So I'm gonna try and cool it on the knife stuff for a while here. There's probably a clue as to what's in there. So yeah, really need to settle down with the knife stuff, and well, I'm going to go a little crazy with all kinds of purchases, but anyway, that's just kind of how it goes. So this is the, it has a shark lock. This is the Demko AD20.5 with the titanium scales. How are you supposed to open this box? Jeez. I thought I could just pull it open. Oh, so there's the SKU number right there. And just like that, the package is open. Just had to pull on it some more and finally got it out of there. So, oh yeah, this thing's a little bigger and heavier than I was expecting. You know, the previous version had smooth sides, and this has, this we'll call it knurling here. A little bit bigger than I was expecting it to be. Let me zoom out, give you a little bit different perspective here. I just recently picked up this knife here. It doesn't feel as big as this one for some reason. Interesting. This is a lot lighter though, I know that. This is, I think, 3 ounces, and this is 4 point something maybe. I don't know, but let's, oh, that's weird. It's got some springy action here to it. It's pulling the knife blade back in quite a ways out. This is locked in place. This is the shark's foot blade, otherwise known as a sheep's foot. I think it has a little bit more here, kind of similar to a Warncliffe as well. Okay. It's not too bad, I guess. You zoom out a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. Kind of hard on the finger. The knife is made in Taiwan. This one's made in USA. I wanted to buy a USA made knife, but really wanted to try this one out. This was recommended to me by a couple of different guys, quite a few different guys, so oh, that's cool. Not quite the get used to holding it. Okay, how was I doing that before? I don't know. I'll have to play with that some more. I mean, that one's pretty easy for me to do. Yeah, I know there's more to a knife than reverse flipping, but I've gotten addicted to it, so. Okay, one more time, then it'll be done. Let's see. Nope. Definitely feels a lot more solid than this guy here. And this is my most expensive knife purchase to date, and I think it will be my most expensive knife purchase ever. Okay, just a quick unboxing and look at this. I want to keep playing with this thing forever, but you guys probably don't want to watch me keep playing with this thing. See, I'm used to having flippers. Most of my knives are flippers, and I'm thinking I'm like flipping it, but I'm not. It's kind of weird feeling on the thumb too. So let me know what you guys think of this knife. And anything else you want to comment on, feel free to put it down in the comment section. Yeah, this thing is cool. I was not expecting it to snap back like that with the spring action, but it's not a big deal. Just something interesting. Alright, that will conclude this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. One more thing that I just noticed is kind of weird is this gap in here. A little bit weird looking. But I think that's just the nature of how the lock works. So yeah, very much looking forward to spending some time with this knife.